me some fried chicken and rice for the homeless people that are in need.
Love others as you love yourself. Now we're gonna pack the food inside the container and take it to the people. Now we finished packing and it's time to deliver it.
Where?
Now we're taking the food to the homeless.
Love others as you love yourself.
I have a daughter, her name is Ayan. She's 10 years old. She's exactly like that lady